How to use Outlier AI. Now, Outlier AI is actually a platform for individuals that can contribute your knowledge by working on microtasks that is collectively fuel the development of powerful AI models. So basically, these actual platform right here is an opportunity for you to work on or cooperate with the AI systems. So this is actually for advanced English writers to help and train AI systems, and you will also need to complete your profile so you would be able to get this job without any problems. So for you to get started, of course, you'll have to create an account with the Outlier AI. Now you can choose to continue or you can choose to log in using your Google Mail account. And you can also choose or any other platforms or mails that you can go ahead and officially use with Outlier. Now, once you have created an account, all you have to do is just to simply click on View Opportunities. And from here, these are going to be the available languages that you can work on with microtasks. So that's it. This is an actual job platform for you to be able to earn and also to learn. So that's how you use Outlier AI.